This tiny laser projector just replaced my TV. Dangbei Atom review gets way too real. You ever sit down, snacks in hand, hyped for movie night, only to spend half an hour wrangling cables, battling blurry corners, or rage-tapping a remote that doesn't even know what focus means? Been there. The projector life can be tragic: low brightness, laggy connections, and that weird buzzing that sounds like a lawnmower whispering. You're not asking for IMAX in your bedroom, just something that actually works without a PhD in home theater setup. And don't get us started on eye strain. Ain't nobody got time for migraines after one episode of Stranger Things. But wait, it gets worse. You've missed game night intros fumbling with HDMI ports. Your Zoom pitch? Cut short because the screen wouldn't stop tilting like the Titanic. You can't fully binge, game, or chill with a projector that turns every session into a tech support hotline. Deadlines don't care that your image is keystoned into a trapezoid. And let's be real, trying to look professional in a client meeting while your gear literally falls apart? Yikes. The stress, the noise, the setup drama, it all kills your vibe and your productivity. Enter the Dangbei Atom, aka the glow up your movie nights, meetings, and gaming marathons desperately needed. This pint-sized powerhouse unleashes 1200 ISO lumens of ALPD laser brilliance, instant autofocus, obstacle-avoiding precision, and actual Netflix built-in, yeah, the real thing. Whether you're firing up an outdoor film fest, crushing boss battles in 1080p, or hosting a slideshow in 4K HDR, the Atom nails it, all without breaking a sweat or your sanity. No clunky mounts. No blurry regrets. Just plug, stream, and bask in that buttery smooth Dolby sound. This isn't just a projector. It's a mood. A lifestyle. A certified stress eraser wrapped in 1.87 inches of laser-fueled magic. Get buttery clear images up to 180 inches, dual 5-watt Dolby audio that slaps, and Google TV with 10,000 plus binge-worthy apps. It's light enough to carry like a paperback, smart enough to frame itself, and sleek enough to flex at any gathering. Forget setup struggles and clunky remotes, Dangbei Atom practically runs itself. Want to level up your setup and actually enjoy it? Tap the link, dive into the specs, and see what this beast is really about. Don't wait till these sell out, again. The Dangbei Atom is already shaking up home theaters and turning living rooms into laser-lit dreams. Join the thousands who've kicked their clunky gear to the curb and finally upgraded without stress. Supplies are limited, and trust us, this kind of brilliance doesn't sit on shelves for long. Want razor-sharp clarity, 3D-ready magic, and real-deal Netflix all in your palm? Click that link. Smash that buy button. Let your old projector go gently into the night. This laser legend is the real main character now.